This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to install cloth-to-surface stainless steel twist-lock fasteners from Sailrite.
The Sailrite sells stainless steel twist-lock fasteners as seen here and nickel-plated brass twist-lock fasteners. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the stainless steel twist-lock fastener. We're going to install the twist-lock stud on a piece of scrap wood, but let's pretend it's fiberglass. If it were fiberglass, I would mark the position of the holes with a marking pencil. Here we're using a marker. Then I would use a drill bit and pre-drill a hole the depth of the screw. Here we're marking the depth that we need to drill. Let's say that we don't want to drill all the way through our fiberglass. Now with wood this isn't a big deal, but with fiberglass it is. So we mark the drill bit, the depth of the screw, and we definitely want to go the full depth. So now we can pre-drill our holes in our fiberglass. I know this is wood, but it works in basically the same way. We'll stop at the depth that we have marked on the tape. Now, if this were fiberglass, to help bed the fastener right, we're going to use some butyl tape. Take some butyl tape off of the end of the roll, and then with the screw inserted through the bottom of the fastener, we will just basically cover the end of the screw. Then we'll insert our second one and do the same. Now with the butyl place wrapped around the bottom of our screws, we can start to pre-screw it into our pre-drilled holes. We want to use a standard screwdriver, not one in a drill, and you want to basically get a good feel because you don't want to necessarily hurt your fiberglass. Again, this is wood, but the concept is the same. Now with a wad of butyl tape, we can clean up the excess. Butyl tape cleans up beautifully. And our stainless steel twist-lock fastener is now installed. This is a double hem, so 3 layers of Sunbrella marine grade fabric. We will place the Sailrite cutting block and die holder under it. Then we're going to use this hole cutter for the twist-lock fasteners. The holes will go to the side so that the fastener goes in correctly. Place it at the location where we want to install a hole, then hold down firmly with your hand and use a heavy mallet like the Barry King mallet to drive the hole cutter through the fabric. I like to drive the hole cutter all the way to the bottom so that I'm ensured that I went right through my fabric assembly. It will be slightly difficult to pull out of the fabric, but it can be done. Now we can take the eyelet, this is the stainless steel eyelet, and place it through the slits. Roll it over to the back side and place the oversized stainless steel washer over the prongs as shown here. Notice that the cavities for the prongs are indented so that the prong rests deeply on the washer. So now we'll use our prong bending tool and bend each one of the legs into the cavity of the oversized washer. This is 3/16 stainless steel. Now our eyelet is installed. We position it over the twist lock portion, twist the top, and our fastener is locked in place. The only way to remove it is to twist the top and then pull it off.
If you have any questions, feel free to call or email us. We're glad to help.